Hello and welcome to the Chronicle. Dear friends, what if you need to send an email urgently and internet connection is interrupted? Well, no need for any hassle to get back the internet connection because now Google has introduced offline mode in Gmail so that you can send emails and upload attachments in offline mode, and whenever you are back online, Gmail will automatically send emails for you. So let us check how this feature is work. So to avail this facility, you need to have a Google Chrome installed on your laptop or PC. So open Google Chrome, go to your Gmail account. On top right over here, you will find a setting. You will click on setting and further click on see all setting. After clicking all setting, you will find at far right offline option. Click on offline. After clicking on offline, you will find enable offline mail option. Just check mark it. This box. After checking, you find more options like storage details, sync settings, and security. In sync setting, you can select number of days you want to store the email that you send offline and make sure to check the download attachment box. Also under security, after logging out of Google account, keep offline data on my computer. Select remove offline data from my computer option are available, so select accordingly and check and save changes. After saving all settings, the page will get refreshed and it will ask you to create a bookmark for offline access. A bookmark is the best way to reach Gmail when you're offline. To create a bookmark, go to your inbox and press Ctrl D. After doing this, bookmark page will open. Now name your bookmark and click on done, and if you want to see furthermore, just go to more and click on save. So the bookmark has started to create download all attachments. After downloading all attachments, a bookmark is created and saying ready for offline. So now just sign out from my Google account, Gmail account, and disconnect the internet connection so that we can check whether this feature is truly working or not. So just disconnect the connection. So let's go to Gmail again. Yeah, after disconnecting, it's working. And now compose your mail. So I want to send an email to my some friend. I want to download attachment from desktop or documents, attach a file and say click on open, and file is attached but not uploaded. So once the file is uploaded, once you're back online, it's to get uploaded and the mail will be sent. So just click on send message and it's showing the message will be sent after attachments are uploaded. So once you're back online, the mail will be sent automatically. So let's go back online, connect to your Wi-Fi or whatever, and let's check. Now I'm back online. So the message will be in outbox. So after a few clicks, the message will automatically send. Here saying message will be sent after attachment have been uploaded. So as soon as you go back online, the attachment will be uploaded, and from the outbox, the message it will go to directly to send type. So now go to send. Yeah, hello, please find attachment file has been saved, and the outbox is empty now. So this is how it works. So it will be very easy for you, for all professionals who are working in offices, to send and receive email without internet. So thanks for watching, and please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.